Happy New Year's, everyone. And today I've been asked to show you and share with you this card that I pulled from this heart oracle, healing heart oracle. And so here is the message for 2025 for all of you. It's called, this beautiful card, it's called Resilient Heart. It's time to rebuild. Dear heart, today I ask you to forgive me for all the times I didn't listen to you. I know that by ignoring your counsel, I put you through heartbreak, pain, distress, confusion, and suffering. There have been moments when you felt shattered, and instead of supporting you, I neglected you and tried everything I could to distract and distance myself from your pain. I know you have felt incredibly lonely and at times rejected and unwanted. You have often wondered why and what is wrong with you, why you are so different, and whether anyone will ever see you for all that you are. Yet through all the isolation, hurt, betrayal, and abandonment, you still had faith that I would come back to you and that we would rebuild healthy relationship, a connection that is based on self-love, inner security, acceptance, nourishment, and care. Thank you deeply for being so strong, patient, and available to lead me towards experiencing profound love and destiny, as well as emotional and spiritual growth. I am now willing to heed your wisdom and embrace your intuitive guidance. And Happy New Year, everyone. Rub your hands together and put them slightly apart. Imagine a warm, sunlit yellow energy coming out of the palms of your hands, and focus on sending appreciation, recognition, and gratitude for all that your heart and you have been through. Place your hands on your heart and breathe the warm yellow light into the depth of your heart. If you had loving words to say to your heart, what would they be? Say them to yourself out loud. Give yourself permission to connect with, ask questions of, and be guided by the wisdom of your heart in all aspects of your life.